Hey there, superstars. Glowing star, are you ready to have some ocean splashing fun? Let's dive into our ABCs. Wave. First up is the amazing red V. What does V stand for? Say it with me. V for violin. Violin, wow, that's awesome. Now, point to the big red V. Great job. Now let's clap for V. Hands clapping louder. V, V, V. Next, let's wave hello to the yellow W. What does W stand for? Say it with me. W for whale. Whale, wow, look at that huge wave. Now, jump for W. Party popper, jump, 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 louder. W, W, W. And now, let's uncover the blue X. What does X stand for? Say it with me. X for X-ray. Package, wow, that's super cool. Now, point to the big blue X. Fantastic. Let's dance for X. Dancer man dancing, dance. 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 Louder. X. 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 Now let's say them all together. V. W. X. Rainbow, you did it. Give yourselves a big thumbs up. Thumbs up, you're amazing. Keep practicing those letters. We're having so much fun learning. See you next time, superstars. Glowing star.